Okay, everybody, I'm back. And here we have an example of equivalent fractions on our board. We also have the area models above each fraction to show us how that's represented visually. So here we have 2/3, and we have 2/3 shaded in. 1, 2. Here we have 4/6, and we have 4/6 shaded in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, yesterday, of course, we just focused mainly on the area model. But today, I want to show you the math of it. Now, you know we have 4 basic operations that we use, and we think about which operation we're going to use when we're solving any of our equations or problems in mathematics. So in this situation, I'm going to go ahead and tell you that we're going to use division and we're going to use multiplication. I always say that division and multiplication are cousins. They love each other, they play, they have a good time. Okay, so in this situation, we're going to look at our numerator first. So in 2/3, our numerator is 2. How then do we get from 2 to 4 using multiplication? Correct. We're going to multiply the 2, and that will give us 4. Whatever we do to the numerator, remember we have to do the same to the denominator. So we're also going to multiply that by 2, which would give us our denominator of 6 on this side. So let's look at that. So we have 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6. That shows us that these are equivalent fractions. They are equivalent. Let's go backwards, or let's start with the higher fraction. So if we have 4/6, we know that it's equivalent to 2/3. Now, we use multiplication here. So down here, we're going to use, you got it, division. So what would you divide 4 by to get 2? Great, 2. So 4 divided by 2 gives you 2. Same thing that we did to the numerator, we have to do to the denominator. So let's divide 6 by 2. And then we get 3. So we can see that equivalent fractions are really not difficult to understand mathematically. We're using multiplication and we're using division. When we use multiplication, we're going from the lower fraction to the higher fraction. When we use division, we're going from the higher fraction to the lower fraction. Hopefully that helped you. I will be here, not going anywhere. I look forward to seeing your excellent work. Have a good day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.